Well, this is then the compound table, the KT70, from the brand Proxon. I think it comes from Luxembourg, Europe. But let's see what it does and what it is. Well, to make the whole process for me a bit more easy is to change the wheel, the control wheel of the x-axis from the right side to the left side. And that's possible because both halves of the table are exactly the same. So you have here a side cover, but that side cover is identical to the other cover on this side. So that must be possible. Well, this is then the side cover, and there is a knob, and if you take it off, put a knife in between, you take it off, you see a knee lock. That's a secure bolt, you see, with a nylon inner ring. So I take this one off, and then the thread rod, which comes in here, is then free. And if you screw the thread rod all the way back, and here in the middle, you must have a central nut, and that keeps the rod. The rod goes through and through, and that takes care. And that one is steady; it can't move, so that takes care for the displacement left and right. So what are we gonna do now? Now we release by movement, by twist turning, contra. You take the shaft out, the thread rod. Now he comes out of the nut. And then you go all the way back, you see. So, now I placed a block of wood behind the side, the right side of the table. And we clamp this one off, so that the table can't move to the right side. Now here we are on the left side of the x-axis. And yeah, I took them already off, and now I put it on. So this is a little bit secured, so that it doesn't move. You also can tie it up, maybe, I don't know, but I don't know if it really works. Then we go with the x-axis to the middle and find the screw, the central nut. Okay, as soon as you touch with a few threads, you touch the nut in the middle, the central nut, then what we can do is move the table to the left side. Then we don't have to screw all the way, like this. Max. Now here we have then the right side of the table. I took the block away. Table is maximum to the left side. Thread rod is through. Now we tie the nut up. Okay, these side covers, you don't even have to take them off. I did it because I had to see how it really worked. I never took it apart. But I can tell you, those screws, you can even let them. Just undo the security nut, and then you can turn it back all the way. So you don't need to take them off. Not from this side and also not from the other side. Just stick straight the thread rod through with the hand wheel, and you feel whenever you touch the thread of the central nut here in the middle of the table. Okay, that's it. Now, I think it works quite okay. Y-axis, and now we have on the left hand side the X-axis. So I think the whole operation succeeded. Now it works perfect. Now we have a left-handed table,